Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video I will show you how to use average and average if function in Excel. Okay, so here I have a table: student name, subject, their subject, and marks. Okay, now I want to find out the average. So first we will learn how to use average, then we will learn how to use average if. Okay, so here I will find how to use average, then here you will see only average of math subject or on a specific subject, how to find out. So first here you have to click on equals, and to find out average you have to just type average here. Okay, then just select whole column. Okay, bracket close. So this is the average of this all marks. Okay, now if you want to find out only specific subjects average, okay, equals to, then average if, then you have to first select whole range, comma. Now criteria, it is asking for criteria, so I want to find out average of maths. So just type math and in inverted comma. Okay, inverted comma math, inverted comma close, then average range, it is asking for average range, so just select the mark number. Okay, now bracket close. So this will be the average of math subject. You can change here math to, okay, science. If I want to find out only science, so I have to type this science. Okay, so this will be the average of science. So like this you can use average and average function if function in Excel. So if you like this video, please like my video and also subscribe my channel for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.